Hey, it's Professor Dave. Let's learn about Franklin Pierce.
He knows a lot about all kinds of stuff. Professor Dave explains.
Franklin Pierce may have been the most unfortunate man to ever occupy the White House. While Pierce himself was popular and outgoing, his family life was a grim affair, with his wife Jane suffering from illness and depression for much of her life. Their children all died young, and their last remaining son was gruesomely killed in a train accident shortly before his inauguration. Born in New Hampshire, Pierce served in the House of Representatives and the Senate, and also fought in the Mexican-American War. Democrats saw him as a compromise candidate with the ability to unite Northern and Southern interests, so he was nominated as their candidate on the 49th ballot at the 1852 Democratic National Convention. In the election, Pierce and his running mate William R. King easily defeated the crumbling Whig Party ticket of Winfield Scott and William A. Graham. As president, Pierce tried to placate the diverse elements of the Democratic Party, an effort which largely failed and turned many in his party against him. He was an expansionist who signed the Gadsden Purchase from Mexico and led a failed attempt to acquire Cuba from Spain. He was a Northern Democrat who saw the abolitionist movement as a fundamental threat to the unity of the nation. He signed the Kansas-Nebraska Act, which nullified the Missouri Compromise by allowing people within these states to decide whether to allow slavery. By doing this, he eroded his support in these states. Passage of the Kansas-Nebraska Act led to violent conflict over the expansion of slavery in the American West. His enforcement of the Fugitive Slave Act, which alienated anti-slavery groups, also cost him crucial support in the North. Pierce's cabinet reformed their departments and improved accountability, but these successes were overshadowed by political strife. In 1854, several of his diplomats issued a manifesto calling for the annexation of Cuba, which was widely criticized. In the 1856 presidential election, Pierce was rejected by his party. His reputation suffered further damage when he became a vocal critic of President Lincoln during the Civil War. A heavy drinker, he died of severe cirrhosis of the liver in 1869. His was yet another one of the failed presidencies whose indecision and lack of leadership led to the Civil War. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Support me on Patreon so I can keep making content. And as always, feel free to email me, ProfessorDaveExplains@gmail.com.